Can we take a moment to appreciate homemade caramel? Look at all this goodness. This will take about 10 minutes of your time, and once you have it, you can store it in the refrigerator for a long time. Let's make homemade caramel. Get a bowl and add 1/4 of a cup of water. Add 1.5 cup of sugar. Turn on the heat and don't mix, and wait until the sugar dissolves. If you mix, you're gonna ruin the whole process. You can swirl the pot if you need to move that sugar around. The sugar will get darker in color, and you're the one controlling the caramel color by heating the sugar more or less. Watch it carefully because you can burn the caramel if you cook the sugar for too long. I like to stop when I see golden amber color. And now you'll add 1 cup of cream at room temperature. Make sure the cream is at room temperature or the mixture will get so bubbly that it will spill out. Add by a little bit and keep stirring. Add 1/3 of a cup of butter, that's about 80 grams. Butter must be at room temperature as well. Mix until the butter dissolves completely. This is optional, but I like to add 1/2 teaspoon of salt to the caramel. And that's it. Transfer the caramel to airtight container and you're done. Caramel can be stored in refrigerator up to 2 weeks. It's so smooth, yummy, you can add it to many recipes. You can ask me questions in the comments below, and I post new recipes every week, so don't forget to subscribe. Enjoy!